Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to request money on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything that you need. So of course, first you will make sure that Revolut is actually available in your country so that you will be able to proceed to the next steps. Then you will log in with your credentials, and after logging in, you will see the payment section. So go ahead and click it and then click request. Select contact or enter phone or email. Then you will enter amount and then an optional note. And then after all that, you will just have to tap request and then the recipient receives notification. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much and have a good day.